Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the Pictory affiliate program. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make money from Pictory. So in this video, I'm going to be covering what Pictory is as a product and company, how to easily sign up as an affiliate partner, the commission structure, bonuses like cash rewards, and tips and strategies to effectively promote your links. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So first of all, what exactly is Pictory as a product or service? Pictory itself is an online graphic design and content creation platform powered by AI technology. It makes designing professional visuals like social posts, ads, banners, presentations, and more so much easier even if you have no graphic design skills. And it mostly harnesses the power of AI to auto-generate unlimited design variations and layouts after you simply enter a few preferences. So everything is online cloud-based, so you can access Pictory from any device through the web browser or mobile application. And it offers many different kinds of plans, free along with pro or business subscriptions, unlocking more graphics per month, many more features and collaboration users. And now that we know more about the product or the service itself, let's get into the affiliate opportunity. Getting approved as a Pictory affiliate partner takes no longer than a few minutes. So all you have to do is visit pictory.ai and then scroll down until you see the become an affiliate or join the program. Click on it and then make your free trial account. Now another thing to keep in mind is that the Pictory affiliate partner program is free to join and open to everyone. You don't need a paid Pictory account to participate. So once you've made your own account, you will gain instant access to your unique affiliate dashboard where you can access promo materials, customized links, view your performance analytics, and track earnings. So they do provide excellent tools and resources to help you succeed as an affiliate. And that's amazing because many programs leave affiliates totally on their own, but not Pictory. And now let's go over the commission structure. So with the Pictory program, it has 4 levels with increasing benefits depending on the number of paying customers that you refer to. So basically, everyone starts off as a standard affiliate partner and then automatically promotes as sales roll in. The standard tier is the one that everyone starts with. You get 20% commissions on new pro or business member subscriptions, 10% commissions on any referrals that your direct referrals make, unique 20% off discount code for your own audience, and $10 minimum payout threshold per month. The next tier is when you get 50 plus paying referrals, and with that one you would upgrade to 30% commissions on new subscriptions, 10% commissions on your second tier, and custom additional discount codes for promotions, and $0 minimum monthly payout. That means that you can get your money whenever you want it. Up a tier is when you get 250 plus paying referrals, and with that one you would get 40% commissions on new subscriptions, free lifetime Pictory Pro account which is at $180 worth of value, and the minimum payout monthly is still at $0. And the highest tier, the Mega Affiliate Partner. So as soon as you refer your 500th paying customer, you will automatically be promoted to Mega Affiliate Partner. And on that level, you will have enhanced commission rate at 50% on all new subscriptions instead of the previous ones. You also have the option to switch payout from PayPal to direct bank transfer, and you get $1,000 one-time bonus. So Pictory pays affiliates on a monthly basis, commissions processed after approximately 30 days to prevent fraud from chargebacks before locking in your payouts. And now we're going to overview some great ways to promote your Pictory links itself. So as a Pictory affiliate partner, here are some smart ways you can share your custom referral links to drive conversions. You've got the YouTube product reviews, as you can create video demos and tutorials showing off Pictory's features. Walk through how you use the graphic design platform as an everyday user, share the positives that help offset the product limitations. Blog content is another amazing way you can be promoting your unique affiliate links. So if you run a marketing or social media growth business or design focused site, definitely share useful applications for Pictory like creating visual branded templates, ideation concept maps, presentations, and more, and naturally weave in your custom affiliate link where relevant. There's also the email marketing or influencer marketing as well, as you can pay relevant influencers on YouTube if you can afford it, TikTokers, etc. to showcase Pictory's graphic design templates for creating stunning social posts and ads in just minutes, and in that process make them share your own unique affiliate links. And those are just a few proven affiliate promotion concepts to profit with Pictory or any affiliate program. And finally, once you're approved, you will want to closely analyze your link performance within the Pictory affiliate dashboard so that you can isolate the top converting traffic sources. Some of the key metrics that you want to pay attention to is the number of visits or clicks on your links, conversions into paying accounts, and your resulting commission payout, and the top referral sources. So of course, study this data to identify the posts, videos, etc. driving the most conversions so you can refine and amplify further. And of course, pause channels producing lots of clicks but barely any sales, eliminate what doesn't work. So this segmentation makes it easier to analyze exactly how well each campaign is converting within your overall affiliate strategy. And that's really all about it. That's everything you need to know about the Pictory affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, then feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.